You've overlooked something. You can't remember. You're trying to defend your position and you're having a tough time. And if I get you off balance, you're gone. Okay? So you have to be ready, okay? And you just have to be in the right frame of mind, knowing that you're not there to win. You're not there to score any points. You're just there to testify about what you know, about what you've done, and about what you think. Okay? And if you can keep that together, being on the witness stand is going to be a lot easier for you. Okay? It's not so tough. Okay? It's tough when you fight the system. It's tough when you want to over-answer the question. Okay? It's tough when you just want to talk about what you want to talk about and not what anybody else wants to talk about. Because then again, you're losing credibility. Okay? When it comes to questions, answer the question. It's not that hard, but it's also not what you're used to in a normal conversation. Just remind yourself, this is interrogation. I need to answer the question. Don't over-answer the question, because then you're helping out the person either make you look bad because you won't do what you're supposed to, okay? Or you're reminding an attorney of something else to talk about. It is a dangerous place, okay? If you've got a bad witness on the stand, I could walk into a case, know nothing about it. If I get to go second, I'll have it figured out by the time it's my turn. Because some people can over-answer and do such a bad job, by the time it's your turn, they've told you their life story. You can take them apart, okay? Just because of bad witness, okay? The State Bar doesn't approve of such actions, but anyway, they would like to be a lot more prepared for something, but conceptually you can do that, okay? Don't help the person that may be trying to hurt you, okay? Also, when I say answer the question, just answer the question I've asked. You may, okay, you get these married couples, they're either crazy or they're well connected, okay? Because neither one of them can speak in a complete sentence anymore because the other person cuts them off and answers it. And then they come back with another, okay? They just do that, right? Yeah. You start doing that in court, and I'll have a blast because you'll have said yes, and then I'll change the rest of the question.
I got a question.
Go ahead.
What if I'm up there and I don't understand what you're trying to ask me?
Say that.
Okay.
I don't understand what you mean. Okay?
Okay.
So, let's get back to answer the question. Make sure that you don't give the attorney the opportunity to change the question. Okay? Because whatever you just said yes to, they'll say, and you believe that was wrong. Okay? For example. Okay? If you don't understand the question, say exactly that. I'm not sure what you're asking. Okay? If I ask you several questions and you've been answering, but you realize that I'm talking about something that you're not talking about, you say, oh, wait a minute. I thought you were talking about this. That's not what I was answering when you said those things. I misunderstood. Okay? Apologize and say you're wrong. Okay? Because it's hard to be mean to a person who's just done that. Okay? Because then if I do, if there's a jury in the box, they're going to be like, why is he being just like a jerk? She didn't understand. And so who's losing credibility at that point? Then it's going to be me. Right. But when you're not answering, you're not doing stuff, and I have to do stuff over and over and over, okay, then you look back like you don't get it. Okay? But if you don't understand, stop the moment you don't understand. Say, I don't understand. If you're completely confused, say, a couple questions ago you said this, I meant this. I wasn't clear on those answers. And then the judge may require them to go back and redo that, or you get to straighten it out. Okay? All right, let me check here. Let's see what else. Okay.